Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. I am Yaan Bison, 29 years old, married, with two kids, ages 12 years old and 6 years old. Living at Barangay Bakay, Dumangas, Iloilo. I have two brothers and one sister, and I am the second child of the family. I am college undergrad.
Okay, thank you. And since you have two kids, are you the one who is taking care of them since they were born?
Yes, sir.
And who will take care of them when you work abroad?
My parents, sir.
And do you have work experience abroad before?
No, sir, but I work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 3 years in a couple with two kids, ages 5 years old and 3 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes, but my main duty is to take care of the kids.
Okay, and are you the one who do the marketing?
Yes, sir.
And how would you describe your employers?
Be good to me, sir.
And is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Okay, and do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir. I have small at my left side of my arm and foot.
Okay, and did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad because I able to send my children in school, and I wanted to build a house for my family.
Okay, and are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
And what will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
First, I will check if the diaper is full and if the baby is hungry, and I check if the baby is sick.
Okay, and what will you do if the children is naughty or will not listen to you?
I will be more very patient and understanding to them, sir.
Okay, and can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
Baba, black sheep, have you eaten wall? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share them with kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Would you accept no day off but employer will pay you instead?
Yes, sir.
And would you accept no day off? And if you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir.
And would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
And are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
And are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you have full consent to your family to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
And will you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. If you select me as your helper, I will promise that I will serve your family with all my best. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Okay, and do you promise that you will take good care of your employer's children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.